Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I am doing a makeup look. I know I haven't done one in a while, but today I wanted to do one because I got this McGrath palette a few months ago, caught it on sale at Sephora, and I absolutely love it. I just started really using it recently, and y'all, it's so good. I didn't know it was this good. This one is called Mothership Subversive La Vie in Rose. I love McGrath products. I feel like they're super pigmented. You don't really have to apply a lot at all. And it's also really buildable. So I really use these palettes when I want like a semi-subtle, like I didn't try too hard, but I'm here and my face is beat kind of palette. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Very buildable, very buildable. You could also do like, well, this one, I don't know. If you wanted to tone it down, I guess you can go with the more matte or just do two of the colors since the colors do stand out so much. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the palette or if there's something else that you want to see. And let's get started. So first I'm going to do some color correcting, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. For my foundation, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi in the color Classic Tan Cappuccino. And then I'm just going to take my NYX buffing brush and blend all that foundation out. For my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX microbrow pencil in the color Chocolate. And then to set my brows, I'm going to use the Essence Clear Brow Gel. So I'm going to go back in now with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to use it as a primer on my lids and also use it to carve out my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Euphoria, and I'm just going to use that all over my lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Paranormal, and I'm just gonna use that in the crease. Then I'm going to go in with the color Purple Rain, and I'm going to use that in the crease as well and just put that over Paranormal. So now I'm going to go in with the color Gold Nectar. As you can see, the glitter is very pigmented. It's not really a lot of fallout at all with this palette. And I didn't wet the brush, but I did use the MAC Painterly primer. Go back in with the color Purple Rain, and we're just going to blend and make sure that the glitter, the gold nectar glitter, and the color Purple Rain are blending together and there's no harsh lines. And then I feel like adding a little more color, so I'm going to go in with the color Pale Fire, and I'm just going to use that as my blending color, my transition color. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Tan. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't really bake my face, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder just to set the concealer so that it doesn't move. And then I'm gonna put on my Sephora blush in the color Sweet on You. And then to carve out those cheeks and give me a little warmth, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs bronzer in the color Tantric. The highlight, I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath Bronze Skin Fetish Highlighter and Balm Duo. You put the balm down first and then you put the highlight side on top of it. To set my face, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Blender and kind of just pat it all in and make sure that everything is blended well. For my lips, I'm going to be using the lip liner NYX, and the color is Mauve, and I'm just going to put the Fenty gloss over that. And that is it for this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.